Take 2. So, yeah. Looking back, I'm not entirely happy with how the Skewb Xtreme video came out. Just a 2-minute shot of me staring at a puzzle. So I'm going to talk a bit more about the puzzle and then get to solving it. So Skewb Xtreme, manufactured by Mefferts, distributed by Recent Toys, got at the South Shore Plaza, Marble Brain Store. Designed by Tony Fisher. He originally called it the X Factor puzzle. And yeah. It turns pretty nicely, actually. I'm impressed. And there we go. Yeah, it's a very nice puzzle. And maybe in the future I'll do a revisit of the gear ball as well. Maybe. Don't hold me to it. So have a nice night.